Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel guys. Alright, so today I'm going to be talking about the beetroot guys. Well, in fact, I'm going to be harvesting some because how I do my harvesting guys, my garden is normally for my kitchen, you see what I mean? So I don't really just harvest everything at once, bring it home and then 2 weeks later it rots. Some of the vegetables actually store better by just leaving them in the ground. So that includes things like, the beetroot, carrots, parsnips, things like that. You know what I mean? If you don't need all of it in one go, just take what you need and leave the rest. You get me? And nature will help you store it until you need it again. All right. So if you come a little bit closely, I just want to show you the progress of my beetroot at the moment. Guys, they don't look very luscious. That's because we've had some real hot days and I've been kind of silly by just watering them directly. From what I've learned with these guys, when on hot sunny days, it's best if you do them in the morning or in the evening. And in that way that the leaves won't wilt. But if you do it in a hot burning sun, yeah, fortunately guys, the leaves will take a hit, you know what I'm saying? But if you remember, I did grow these like the concept of a cell. So like some people would put them in a cell and then when they sprout out, they will transplant them, guys. I just thought, you know what, let me make an experiment and just imagine that this bit of ground here was a big cell, you know what I mean? And then I just basically put, 3 beetroot seeds in each one, knowing that one seed may contain many. So, by putting 3 in there, I was guaranteeing myself a germination, guys. You know what I'm saying? So what we're gonna do is, like, if you come closer, I'm gonna show you the progress. I mean, not all of them has kind of got, big, but we can start harvesting them from now, guys. So what we do is we just twist out the big one out of the bunch, guys, the biggest one out of the bunch. Try to twist it so we don't really damage the roots of the others. So I'm just going to keep twisting, guys. Gentle. Right. So you can see it's not a massive beetroot, guys, but it's a beetroot nevertheless. You see what I'm saying to you? So, yeah, guys, I tend to make smoothies with these guys. I also try to, well, I don't say try, I also make wines. I did make a wine video and was supposed to show, the finished product, guys, but I did kind of lose the footage of that, should I say. So maybe I will do another video again showing guys how we can, use beetroots to make wine and, and also how to make other smoothies and stuff like this. Because like I said, I would like to incorporate, some of the foods I'm getting from here and then show you how I use them at home, guys. Alright guys, so what all we're doing is just, trying to find the big one out of the bunch. And if you notice right here, we got 2, 3 little small ones. This will allow them, to grow, to come to this size, guys. So as you can see, a nice medium-sized one. The good things, the good thing about, beetroot, guys, is that it contains, biotin. And I believe that it really helps you, in relaxing the mind. You know what I'm saying to you? So this is almost, I mean, I believe also like beetroot is like a superfood, guys. It's good for the blood, you know. It's a great like what's the word, oxin, like when you detoxing, it helps you with all of that, guys. So don't underestimate the beetroot, guys. It's a very, very useful vegetable, guys, for you to have in your garden. You know what I mean? It's, health wise, it's very, very, very beneficial. All right. Guys, so like I was saying, I don't know if I did butcher the antioxidant part of it, guys, but yeah, it's very good for that, and it's also good for your heart, guys. You know what I mean? It helps, fight heart disease. You know what I mean? So this is what I was trying to say is it's good for the blood. I'm not a doctor, guys, but that's just how, I was told, what I was told and what I've, researched about it, guys. You know what I mean? Yeah, so guys, also, going on the blood part of it helps lower the blood pressure, guys. This is the thing with beetroot. I just think it's very, very, underrated vegetable, guys. You know what I'm saying to you? Just trying to take, what I believe is the big one. Yeah. And yeah, guys, so this is, I mean, beetroot, like I tried to say to you, keeping gardening simple, it really gives you more time for you to do other things in the garden, guys. Then you have to be, I mean, like I said, I'm not against transplanting. I transplant. I'm just trying to say, there's a more simpler way for you to do your gardening. You know what I'm saying? It's, when I say simple, this is what I mean. You know what I'm saying? So rather than putting it in the cell, allowing it to come up, then bring it back out. Why don't you just direct sow it, I mean, at the correct time of the year, guys? And it will do the same thing. And then it's already there. You don't have to move it again. And in the end, you will get beetroots. Like I said, these guys, they're not the biggest, but it will keep growing. Beetroot is something that just keeps growing. It just gets bigger and bigger and bigger the longer you leave it in here. But the point of this video was saying, yeah, you can harvest them from this stage. You know what I mean? And you can eat the whole beetroot, guys. You know what I'm saying to you? Right, guys. So like I was saying, you can eat the whole leaf of the beetroot, guys. You know, and the beneficial minerals in there, guys. As you know, I like to talk about minerals. Yeah, we got vitamins A, vitamins B6, vitamin C, and vitamin K. So you know, that's a whole heap of minerals, guys. A whole heap of organic, natural mineral, guys. So yeah, I'm promoting the beetroot today, guys. I'm promoting the beetroot. You know, yeah. Guys, I'm really hoping that you've enjoyed today's video, guys. You know, our beetroot video. You know, if you've enjoyed it, guys, give it a like. If there's anything you'd like to say, guys, leave it in the comment, guys. On that note, live well, guys, and together we grow.